for Indian market.
Good morning. I think I'm having a tough job after all the major industry leaders have presented, so I'll keep it short and simple. Uh, the presentation is on what Shanti Gears has been doing the last 1.5 to 2 years, and what are the kind of drive solutions we are doing in Shanti Gears, and what are we doing in general to contribute to this industry beyond supplying just gears and gearboxes. Just to give a short summary of for those who know about Shanti Gears, we have 4 decades of experience in gears and gearboxes. It's a brand built on quality, a very strong commitment to quality by the people over a long period of time, and a very state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. And we also one of the major companies to have a strong re-engineering and servicing capability across India. And now we are part of the large Murugappa group, which means we are much more professional in our approach, very stable, financially strong, and we could honor the commitments to the customers at the different economic cycles. We are the only company to be certified AS 9100. It's not so much required, but then the system requirement for AS is much higher, and we felt our products should have that kind of reliability, and so we went in for AS 9100C, and we are a proud member of AGMA. We have an industry-wide presence. We are present in cement, steel, power, railways, mining, sugar, just a few industries, but we are present across every sector that touches the economy of this country. Just to give an idea of who are our customers, almost all the big names are there. We have supplied to them, and we do supply to them continuously. A little bit about our engineering, all this is possible because of a strong engineering capability we have. We have a 50-member engineering team, very focused on, we possess a very strong re-engineering capability, which means we could take any of the imported gearbox, re-engineer it to a higher level of torque transmission while maintaining its base dimensions. The footprint remains same, and this we do through a lot of engineering tools that we have, which I will be showing in the next slide. We also have a 10-member team, now it is about 11-member team, which is focused on planetary drives. Dr. Stupin, our consultant from Germany, he is the one who is training the entire team on planetary drives. These are some of the engineering tools we use. Just to give a good, just to give an idea of what are the products and services that you could expect from Shanti Gears, we could give you the standard gearboxes, which is the bread and butter of our business. We also could give you spares, which is, when we say spares, we could not only give spares for our gearboxes, we can also give spares for other brands of gearboxes. And that is where this reverse engineering capability comes in. We not only give you the spares, but we could service the entire gearbox. What we mean by servicing is by maintaining the gearbox properly, your return on investment on your return on investment on the gearbox will be much higher. We could extend the life of the gearbox much beyond the 20 years which you normally get. So servicing is a major portion of our business, and we could also help you with retrofit and predictive maintenance services, which is fast catching up in this market. Just to give you an idea about the product range, we have a full range of worm gearboxes, a good range of gear motors, helical gearboxes, bevel helical gearboxes, planetary drives, cooling tower gearboxes, and a very comprehensive range for the extruder segment, As Dr. Stiram said, there is a huge amount of investment that is going into this industry, and this product itself is very tough because there is a high concentration of torque on a very small area, and so tolerancing becomes difficult or design becomes important. So this is something Shanti Gears has been handling and made a name for itself for a long period of time. We have also been into the vertical roller mills, mainly for the cement mills, coal mills. This is a product which needs a high level of reliability, and normally if it fails, it brings down the production of the entire plant. So unless we are able to give a very reliable, high quality product, we will not be in that industry. We have a lot of references in this industry. We have a strong service network which is spread across the major industrial towns across India. We would be able to service any brand of gearbox, and we will be available to the customer within 24 hours of his call in case of breakdowns. We also do master health checkups and seminars, which I am covering in the next slide. Just to show, this is the largest VRM in India. It's a 177 ton gearbox, 5.4 megawatts power, and when the customer wanted to service it, they found no better place than Shanti Gears. In terms of our service, what we do to the customers is we start with a simple seminar, which is basically for training the customers, training the maintenance departments of our customers, and then gradually we will train them on maintenance solutions, which means what do you do periodically, what do you do on your gearboxes. This is something we train the maintenance crew in the major plants. We also conduct master health checkups where we go inside the factory, we check each one of their gearboxes, give them options of how to get the maximum out of those gearboxes by making simple investments or sometimes pure maintenance. So that is something we do. And eventually we conduct a tech show within their own premises where we bring the entire management of the company, and we demonstrate to them what are all the benefits, what are all the things that they could do on their gearboxes and get maximum benefit out of those gearboxes. We have also started the Shanti School. It's a 3 days intensive training basically on the gearbox maintenance procedure, troubleshooting and gearbox assembly. Now I have heard customers say, when they open a gearbox, they sometimes feel they are opening a Pandora's box. Some of customers carry this complex, very wrong image about gearbox in his mind. So we are trying to demystify some of it by conducting a 3-day intensive training in Shanti Gears. We have a skill development center, and we do it every second and fourth week, Wednesday to Fridays. Just to give an idea of the infrastructure, we have 6 manufacturing plants in and around Coimbatore, 5.6 million square feet, 1 million square feet of built-up area. We have our own foundry. We are truly one of the most integrated gear manufacturers in India. We have our own foundry. We have our own fabrication shop, patent shop. And we also have a non-ferrous and a fabrication facility. What this does to the customer, at the end of the day, how does it help the customer is more important. This helps us control cost, control quality, and reduce lead time. So to the customer,